This method can help answer key questions in the agricultural field, such as how landscape topography can affect soil erosion and soil organic matter dynamics.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is applicable to sites with limited observations and provides a cost-effective estimation of soil organic carbon stocks and soil redistribution processes.
First, collect data from the GeoTree Light Detection and Ranging Mapping Project website. Select boundary type and region to zoom into a specific area. Then, draw a polygon to download light detection and ranging tiles for the selected study area. Convert the raw light detection and ranging data to a LAS file using the Geographic Information System Mapping tool. Next, generate digital elevation models, or DEMS, with a 3-meter spatial resolution using inverse distance weighted interpolation. Filter the 3-meter DEMS twice with a 3-kernel low-pass filter to reduce noises associated with local variation. To generate topographic metrics, first click Import Raster in the Import-Export section to import the filtered 3-meter DEMS into Saga. Next, click the Slope Aspect Curvature module of Saga with the default settings to generate the slope, the curvature-related metric, and the general curvature metric using the filtered DEMS. Click the flow